channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Matimba, and if you've just been passing by, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we talk about sex, we talk about culture, and we talk about the law of attraction. So if you want to learn more about that, don't forget to click the icon button so that you don't miss an inch. Let's subscribe so that we can put more vibration to this vibrant channel. So today we're going to talk about how many rounds can you do during sex or while making love. How many rounds, like how many rounds can you go for before you say, I'm out, I'm done? How many rounds can you go when having sex? People will say 3, people will say 4, and some will say 5. Some of them will just say just 1. So really, to be honest, let's face realities. If you are really into making love, like real making love, making passionate love, trust me, you can never go more than 2 rounds. You can't go more than 2 rounds, because if you're going to go into the 3rd round, you are going to be milking it, and that is selfishness. In reality, let's put this scenario. You've got the whole night together, right? With your husband, with your wife. You get into bed. You just want to be at it like cats. You start with the foreplay, you start with the kissing, you start with the caressing and the talking until you feel like, yeah, we are ready now. And then you start making love. Real passionate love. Maximum should be 30 to 45 minutes. You are done. You are done. Both of you have climaxed, you've reached orgasm, you sleep, you hold each other. Because what we forget is even just cuddling and kissing, that is already making love. But most of the people, they want to penetrate for them to understand that we have made love. Nah. So, you wake up again after 30 minutes or after 1 hour. Again, you start touching your friend because you want some sex. Then you have another sex for about 30 minutes. And then you both orgasm. Then you sleep. Then after 2 hours, you wake up again, you want some sex. To me, I think that's not practical. Most men who do that is those men who have you, maybe for the weekend or maybe for some time, and they want to do it like, I'm not having this pussy ever until a few days or a few months. Then they will do it like really a thirsty cow. So really, here's a scenario, another scenario. A man comes, wants sex, not want to make love. They want sex. They come on and they start. Let me be honest with you guys. In 1 round, the maximum you can do is about 2 to 3 styles. You cannot have 5, 6 styles in 1 round of 45 minutes. That is not making love. That is rampant sex. Rampant sex, like really romping and just all over the place. And trust me, a woman can never come on rampant sex. If you do, but most of them just fake it. Because what makes a woman come is that passionate. When you are making love, you are intertwining into each other's emotions, and you are intertwining like this, really into each other throughout the process. Then a woman, because she's so much into you, those emotions are dripping and she's gonna come. But if you are intertwining and you are into each other for 5-10 minutes, and then all of a sudden you are changing the pattern and put the legs on the ceiling and pump it, while she's getting used to that feeling of the legs in the air, then you change doggy style. And then while she's getting used to that, you change woman on top. No, that is rampant sex. And trust me, only a man can reach orgasm in such a style. What a woman wants is real passionate love. That's why women, they fall in love after sleeping with a man, because we attach emotions to sex. We just don't have sex or make love for the sake of, So men, they can do all those styles. So the maximum you can do per night or per day, given a day, the 2 of you in the house, trust me, is 2 rounds. Other than that, more than 2 rounds, you are milking it. And even if you say, I'm going to orgasm now, I'm going to come, nothing is going to come out apart from just dribbling semen. Trust me. The best one, the hot one, mostly men fail to contain themselves because they've been dying, they've been bursting for that pussy. Then the second one, a woman has to come. And then you cuddle and sleep. When you sleep, that's it. You can talk about something else. But if you're just thinking about just sex, and then you start, and then you change the style, and then you change again, and then you get, that becomes out of this world. And the best thing that really happens if a woman comes first, reaches orgasm first, a man must try to come within 2 to 3 minutes. Because when he keeps going and going and going and going, a woman eventually dries up completely, like all the lubricant just goes. Now what you are doing now is just causing friction, and she's gonna be sore. Remember, the cake, the vagina is a very, very delicate thing. Very delicate. This is an example. A man reaches orgasm first. A woman hasn't yet. And then a woman now keeps changing positions on the man, and they do this. You know, immediately a man reaches orgasm, a few minutes later, the dick becomes flabby, isn't it? Because it's not excited anymore. There's no difference with a woman. That's how we are as well. When I reach orgasm, that's it. I'm done. I'll give you 2, 3, maximum 5 minutes. But if you're going to extend it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, trust me, you're on your own. Because a woman then is what? She is completely dry. And you're just going to bruise her. So, when you are going into the act of making love, please always remember that it's a two of you in this. And you need to attach emotions. Because it's not just all about you. You need to ask, are you okay? Yes. How many rounds can we do? Let's see what we can do. You don't even have to ask. You will see how it's flowing. Maximum 2. Maximum, if you're really, really like dragging it on the floor, maybe 3. But more than that, that is not making love. That is rampant, like Davion range type of, you know? So just get to the bottom of that. And the maximum you can do, the maximum styles you can do in a round of sex is 2 or 3. Other than that, it loses its value. It will be like it's wrestling now. This position, change. This position, change. It's not making love now. It's wrestling, like you are on a marathon now. You are changing, like exploring styles. A woman doesn't like that. Take your time. Go deeper. Intertwine and just feel each other, because that's the whole purpose. Okay, my vibrant people, thank you for listening. If you are new to my channel and you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe. And we are growing, guys. We are growing, like really growing, and I love you so much. I just feel like I'm an octopus and just give you a hug, all of you, because here when we talk about sex, most of the people, they go and practice it and come back and say, wonderful. Sex is such a beautiful thing when you do it with the right person, not just doing it with anyhow, as long as they've got a dick and a pussy. No, when you do it with the right person, you'll be saying, that's a beautiful food to be eating every day. I love you, my vibrant people. Stay tuned for more videos. Do not ever go away. Stay here, because you have arrived. You are going to get more and more videos of the things that are forbidden to talk about. I love you, my vibrant people.